pair of linear equations, important problem. A man travels 370 kilometers partly by train and partly by car. If he covers 250 kilometers by train and the rest by car, it takes 4 hours. But if he travels 130 kilometers by train and the rest by car, he takes 18 minutes longer, means 4 hours plus 18 minutes. So case 1, see total is like 370 kilometers. Total is 370 kilometers. If you travel in that 250 kilometers by car, so this I'll take like 250 kilometers. So this is traveling by car, and the remaining out of 370, if I'll take out 250, I'm left with like 120 kilometers. So suppose this 120 kilometers he'll travel by car. The first one 250 kilometers by train, 120 kilometers by car. In the next one, case 2, total 370 kilometers. If he travels 130 kilometers by train, so here he is traveling 130 kilometers by train, and out of 370, if we'll take out 130, we'll be left with like 240 kilometers by car. So let the speed of the train be x kilometers per hour, speed of the car is y kilometers per hour. So here also x kilometers per hour, y kilometers per hour. If you'll travel 250 kilometers by train, 120 kilometers by car, it took 4 hours. Here it took 4 hours plus 18 minutes. So if you'll solve this one, 4 plus 18 minutes, if you'll convert in hours, so 18 by 60. 6 times 3, 6 times 10. So it will be like 43 by 10 time. Now see here, time taken by train plus time taken by car is 4 hours. In this case, time taken by train plus time taken by car is 43 by 10 hours. So what is speed formula? Speed is distance by time. So from here, what is time? Time is nothing but distance by speed. So here distance traveled by train is like 250 kilometers. So 250 by speed is x. Time is nothing but distance by speed. Here distance is 120 and speed is y equals 4. Here 130 kilometers by train. So speed of the train is x, and 240 kilometers by car, and speed of the car is y, is 43 by 10. So here we'll solve these two equations by reducible method. So let 1 by x I'll consider as a, and 1 by y I'll consider it as b. So this equation will become 250a plus 120b equals 4, and this equation will become 130a plus 240b is 43 by 10. If you cross multiply this 10, 130 into 10, 1300a, 2400b is 43. So this is equation 1, this is equation 2. Now I will eliminate these two equations. Now see here, 250a plus 120b is 4, 1300a plus 2400b equals 43. So this first equation I'll multiply with 20 into 20. So 25 into 20, because 12 into 2 24, and if I'll take 20 you'll get 2400. So 25 into 2 5000, 250 into 20, 25 into 250 0 0, 5000a, 120 into 220, 2400b equals 80. This equation as it is, second equation. So 2400b is 43. Now eliminate this. So both will get cancelled. So here it's like 3700a is 80 minus 43 is 37. So a value is 37 by 3700. So 37 times 1, 37 times 100. So a value is 1 by 100. So take this a value and substitute in any one of the equation. Substitute in this equation. So 1300 into a value is 1 by 100 plus 2400b is 43. Two zeros cancel. 13 plus 2400b is 43. 2400b is 43 minus 13. 2400b is 30. So b value is 30 by 2400. 0 3 times 1 3 times 80. So the value of b is 1 by 80. But we consider a as 1 by x. A is 1 by 100, but we consider as 1 by x. So 1 by x equals 1 by 100. So x equals 100 kilometers per hour. So speed of the train is 100 kilometers per hour. And b you got 1 by 80, but b we consider as 1 by y equals 1 by 80. So y equals 80. So speed of the car is 80 kilometers per hour.